What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Jordan release day. I like looking around here. Let's go see what's up. No dubs on Finish Line, no dubs on JD, no dubs on Foot Locker Champs. I don't know. I like this mall. So yeah, let's go. Look around. Let's go. Oh yeah, no wins here either. Bastards. Alright, last time I think I came here, they told me I couldn't record. I was like, huh? What the hell? Alright, let's look around. One of the few spots with these. Haven't seen these Aqua 5s too many times recently, to be honest. Yeah, I guess people were feeling those. Okay. No University Blues here, though. Still got the Citrus, Playoffs, Space Jam Mids, and the Chromes. These are big, though. These are one of the bigger sizes. You got the Answers right here on sale. And then these, I'm not a fan of these. What are these things? The Pump Furies. I'm not a fan of those. Classics on sale. Okay. I've never seen the geodomes like this. Leather is amazing on these. Holy come on, look at that, man. I'm not digging the color though. Like, I don't know. I'm not digging that like a Bordeaux colorway. Got that nice leather around the ankle collar at the top. These are dope, dude. These are dope. $180 though. Definitely cheap. I do love the ACG sign right there. And then I love that. Looks like full length React. I don't know if it is. Or looks like full length Air Max. I do like that. But yeah, that's fire, dude. Just not the colorway. Just not the color. But that is fire. Definitely more interesting than those right there. The Manoas. They're more tempos. And then this one's already on sale. I feel like this one hasn't been out that long. $170. It does have the month that they release on here. 11. Okay, so it's been out. Oh dang, it's been out for 5 months already. Holy crap! I feel like these just came out. Okay. Dunks with the crack leather right here. Crack leather and canvas. Not too shabby. Okay. 574s. 550s. Okay. Alright, next door. Alright, next stop. We got a JD right here. Let's go. Everybody picking up their JD wins. Man, I haven't gotten a win here in forever. Dang. Do got some dunks here. Did see these online. I don't think these sold out online, but these got better leather than just the typical. And they're okay. I think these are women's sizes, right? These are women's sizes right here. They're all right. Then got these, I think they call these the championship dunks. That's kind of why they have the belt right there. And then they also got the black and white high here as well. All right. So what are these? Are these the All-Star Player 70s? Is that what these are? Because they're the All-Stars. I know those are the Chuck All-Stars. So those are the Chuck Taylors. That's what these are, right? Those are the Chuck Taylors. And then these are the All-Star Player 76s. I don't really know much about Converse. Watch people are gonna be talking trash. You should do your research. I don't know much about Converse, man. I don't really wear Converse. Just showing y'all what they got here, damn dude. I'm all getting mad before the people get mad, but I already know there's gonna be people talking trash. It is what it is. $60 for the Chucks right here. Yeah, 60. Okay. All right. So they've gone up $5. It used to be 55, right? For forever. Dude got the highs right here. Go for $75. Did talk to the workers about leftovers. First come, first serve here. That's what they're saying. He's at 3 o'clock. I don't think the dude knows what he's talking about. But they did say first come, first serve. Usually it's 5 o'clock. That is why it's worth going around asking. So that definitely does help. But yeah, I got these twos right here. I can't believe they still got these. Is that a restock? That has to be a restock. 6s, 7s, playoffs, and then got those right there. All right, they said 3:30. I talked to one of the other people. Dang, the escalator's down. Dang it. The hell do I get upstairs? What the hell? Oh. Do got a champs. Let's see. Got all kinds of J's behind the cashiers right there, behind the counter right there. Man, UNC 5s. The Aqua 5s got 113s. Okay. Not on sale. They're on sale, not on sale. They're back to 140 now. Back to 140. All of them are back to 140. That's surprising, I'm not gonna lie. And then this is a new colorway. I don't think I've seen this one. Have I? This is definitely interesting. Okay, pink diamond collection. Okay. Like I said, I've never seen this one. Pretty dope. 2 bills for this one. Okay. Do got Lakers and Shaquille O'Neal. Got Magic right there. Do got some jerseys. Got some jerseys. All regular price though. I'm trying to pay $1.30 for those. Yeah, and I'm good. $1.30. Too steep. I don't know how much this one is. Oh, this is Mitchell and Ness? I haven't seen Mitchell and Ness. $1.35. I saw that other company make these. Oh, how funny. Pro Standard Lakers t-shirt right there. $55. Like, but look, it's like really high quality stuff. They use really good material. I just can't pay $55 for a shirt. That just ain't happening. And Reeboks. I know people don't seem to be loving these. Man, I need to grab a pair. See, this one says 160. Talked about it earlier. Yeah, someplace got these for 160. Some got it for 140. So make sure you get it from one of the spots that's 140. And even within like the chains, like some Champs have it for 160. Some Foot Lockers have 140. Like that doesn't really make sense. But I got these for 162. I'm a fan of both of these. If I had the money, I would just grab both of these. All right, let's check out some more spots. Two got the lids. I think this is a locker room by lids. I don't know. Let's look around. I don't know. I know their semi-annual clearance sale's not here yet. Sock game. They do got a bunch of socks here. Bunch of fire socks by Stance. Got John Morant right there. That's pretty fire. What these going for? $20 a piece. They do feel nice though. Do feel nice. Got Lakers ones right here. Like this one is the $17 one. So that's a little bit pricey. I don't know. Is this one a little bit cheaper? This one might be a little cheaper. $21. Never mind. They're not cheap. Not cheap. This is a Stance one right here. Going for $19. They do look fire as hell. Got the old school one right there. Bulls going for $20. Okay. Niners one. Maybe these will go on sale. All these will go on sale eventually. Hopefully, I don't know. Does say sale, but I think everything's priced as marked. You know, decent prices, $90. Not too bad because they're normally $130, but I just like that extra discount. This one still 3 bills for the Magic Johnson one right here. Remember, I was picking these up for hella cheap, 60. I was picking these up for like $30 and stuff. Remember during their what is this? The semi-annual clearance sale. You gotta come here. They got everything for 50% off, and that's 50% off all these sale prices. $20. That's a hell of a good price on that right there. That's a hell of a good price. That's a small though, so they still do have deals. $20 for that. That's cheap. This is a what's that, G3 brand, I think. Oh no, I don't know what brand it is, but not the greatest brand. But $20, who cares? Man, that's cheap. Yeah, that's the one that I have, the Lakers one, I think. No, because it's NFL, so I don't know. It looks like the exact same material, exact same cut as the one that I have. Cheap. That is a small though. It is a small Lakers Dia de los Muertos shirt right here. Going for $39. This is regular price though. If you do see stuff for regular price, I would ask them, be like, hey, it says clearance sale. What's up? But yeah, there are still some deals. $30 for Charger t-shirts. Let's put these right here. These are fire. Did the baseball jersey looking ones. $50 normally, $110. So $50. So we are still seeing sales. Got a hoodie, Columbia Lakers hoodie. That I've never seen that before. Holy crap. $45. I don't see any extra sale tags on it. No, $45. I have a feeling that's normally way more, yeah, because it is Columbia and they are a premium brand. Westbrook jerseys, we've seen 1,000 of these for hella cheap. So that's $120. I bet they're cheaper. They were on sale even when he was with the Lakers. Do you got these $45? These are normally 80 something, so that is a medium. They still got deals, just not as cheap as I would like for them to be, because you know, I was picking up shorts and stuff for $20, $30 at most. They still do got some deals. $41 for this really lightweight hoodie right here. Let's see, what's this Shaq jersey right here? Doesn't have a price tag on it. And got these warm-up dry fits. They're all huge, extra huge, $41. So I don't see any sales tax. So, all right, they do got some deals at least. Okay. All right, last store, we do got Chic right here. Let's go, let's go. Still got all these J's right here. Dude got a ton of J's. We saw this the last time. Freaking love visiting the store because look, all the J's. I think they got one of the best selections. I don't know about sizes though. Don't know about sizes. Afro beats right here. 11 low IEs on sale. The threes, the material on these is just so ridiculous. I feel bad saying it over and over, but the colors, I'm just not a fan of the colors. Got the Cardinal 7s. If I saw these at the outlets, I think I definitely would grab these just because I don't have any 7s. OG 2s, utilities. I'm good on those. I think everybody's good on those. We've seen those on sale at some place too. Got that French blue, something blue 13s. Their Team J's and Performance J's up here. Holy cow, damn, they got a lot of stuff still. All the mids and the lows. But a lot of stores been having the mids and the lows. Got these comforts. These comforts ain't bad. These comforts are the Zoom Air, the Zooms. Jordan 1 High Zooms, I don't know. Oh yeah, these are the Zooms. They're cheaper though, right? $150. These look pretty clean. Materials pretty nice too. Okay. $150 for these. These have gone down in price. Yeah, these have gone down. They were normally $2. I forgot this is a women's. It's not a grade school. I was dumb. But I was trying to figure out what the original price for those were. 6s. This is a men's size though. Size 11. Just 9.5 men's. And then do got these bad boys right here too. Okay. Women's size right here. Man, I always love like metal stuff like that when they have stuff like that. Fire. Got t-shirts right here. Is this a women's t-shirt? Yeah, it is a women's t-shirt. $42.50. Random price. I do like that though. That's dope. Full dunking. Doing this free throw dunk right there. You can't see what kind of shoes he's wearing though, man. You need to make those look like the 3s, dog. Come on now, man. And even more Team J's right here. Holy cow. Let's look at their apparel, man. I just always love the apparel section here. Alright, I'm being hella nosy, but yeah, look, they got grade school here. They have grade school. Dang, 6Y. They have extras. They will let them go. So they got extra grade school, I guess. So, yeah, that's dope. That is dope. That's dope. Oh, these are nice, dude. I'm acting like it's the first time I've seen them. But yeah, these are dope, dude. Classic look. Oh my goodness. Fire. You got the Hardens. The Harden Volume 6 is down to $90 on sale. These are fire. I'm not gonna lie, these Hardens are fire. It does have boosts on it, so you can see the boost on the inside right there. These look dope. These look like they're really good for hoops. The soft, like, man, can I talk? Then the upper, super soft right there. I don't know what kind of material that is. Okay. And then they got the Kobe's. I don't care what y'all say, man. These are the Kobe's KB1s, aka crazy ones. Fire. I'm a fan of those, man. You can already see it creasing. Nobody's even worn these, and you can see it creasing already. Man, that's the one thing I have been concerned about on these. I talked to one of the workers. They had these on, and yeah, theirs is creased up too. Like, dang, dude. But hey, still got to represent with the Kobe's. I'm still a fan. They're called the crazy ones, but old school KB ones, you guys. Got the pro models. Dang, I haven't seen this one. Class of 2003. Is that LeBron? Is that LeBron's? Is that what his team wore? Is that his high school team? Is that what they wore? That is fire. If you're a LeBron fan, that is fire. $60 too. $60 freaking dollars. Size 13 left right here. Damn, dope. These are on sale too. The T-Max down to $80. Holy cow. And then these on sale for $80. Nah, dang it. If these were on sale, I was like, oh, maybe. Oh, they are on sale down to $80. Holy cow. This one's clean, dude. All black. That is clean as hell. That's dope, dude. I see some dope sales here. Top 10s right here. Pretty clean. Decent suede right here. Okay. What? Look at this. Forum lows go for $65. Man, these are the regular forms, but it's suede, so it's nicer than just the regular forms in my opinion. I like the suede ones over the regular ones. Leather on the toe box, not the greatest, but like I said, a majority of it is suede, so that's fire, dude. Fire. Love seeing sales like this because I'm cheap. I was like, hey, I'm gonna go to the Apparel, then I forgot about the Apparel. But yeah, they don't have any jerseys. I don't see any jerseys. I guess all the winter stuff is still here. I saw them set this up like a month ago, if I remember. Man, these are dope, dude. All Mitchell & Ness stuff. I know they get way more Mitchell & Ness than almost every other retail shop because they've had a really good contract with them. It seems like for a while, they've always had more stuff. $175 for these. Kind of similar to the starter jackets. These are the patches and stuff. That is fire. Well, not the Sixers one. I mean, like the Lakers one is fire. I'm talking trash. Lakers doesn't have all the patches and stuff. That is actually way more fire. Way more fire, and it's thicker too. So it is different. $120. Okay, so these are 120. These are like, what was it, 165 or something? And just thicker. It is 175. Yeah, because it's way thicker and it has more padding, and then it also has all this extra padding. That's actually fire. That's fire. I'm not a fan of you Sixers, but that's fire. Then looking around. Damn, they jammed in all the sneakers. What the hell? Like, damn, they got so many 90s right here, Air Forces right here. Someone's asking me where I've seen a all black Air Force, and he's like, nah, not the gum. Man, OG, you really know, dog. Damn, dude. I was like, I swear I've seen the all black duck boots, and he's like, nah, I don't like the gum. That fool new, man. 95 Air Max 97s. Damn, they got almost 2 rows of 95s right there. Holy cow. Tons of Blazers. I think we're done, though. Let's go.